Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use bleed in Affinity Designer. So what you'll need to do is basically go and click on File, click New, and right here you can enable your bleed. And let's say I want to type 5 millimeters, and basically this will be a square of 5 millimeters. And then you can create a document. And if you want to use a bleed for existing document, so what you can do is basically go and tap right here, so exit all the tools, click on document setup, scroll down and enable bleed, and right here you can write in pixels. So let's say I want to add 50 pixels and click OK, and now I have my bleed. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.